الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
شاه نجف منم غلام حضرت شاه نجف علی 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 دل علی دلبر علی سرور علی ره علی رهبر علی محشر علی جان علی جانان علی.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. You have obligation to honor all descendants of Adam. I am Taha Ashraf. I am the student of the Al-Ulum Noori Irfan, and I am studying in class 6th. Where humanity is being trampled on at every level in the world for its selfishness. On the other hand, man does not hold behind in committing sins day and night and drugs. Vice on the rise in the valley of dervishes. In my opinion, the only solution these problems is the religious institution and the life of the Sufi saints. This is the thing called the Al-Ulum Noori Irfan Guri. Let us all together attract our children to this institution and enlighten them with the light of our teachings. We have obligation to support this anonymous, non-commercial institute on every level. We are highly thankful to the chairman of Tanzimul Madaris Sufi JNT, namely Mauli Ashraf, who is working day and night from this institution to the government level institutions. Mauli Ashraf is the lone person who introduced Sufi syllabus in Kashmir University, Islamic University, Ghulam Shah Badshahi University, and also registered 49 institutions in JNT for same purpose. Mauli Ashraf is working throughout the JNT on the same path to engage children in education so that they will remain away from drugs and other sins. It's our moral and social responsibility to support Mauli Ashraf in his mission to eliminate his evils and promote harmony. In our society, his efforts reflect the value of unity, compassion, and spirituality integrity that are essential for a peaceful community. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Myself Ilyas Ahmed, student of Darul Ulum Irfan Guri Anantnag. Studying class 5th, I have also memorized it and paras of the पढ़ते हैं उसके साथ साथ हमें यहाँ पे इंग्लिश वगैरह भी पढ़ाया जाता है उसके साथ हम कंप्यूटर कोर्स भी कराया जाता है यहाँ पे मुफ्त में सब पढ़ाया जाता है कुछ खर्चा नहीं हुआ अब यहाँ से